This is the firewood rack that I built almost a year ago to date, and I've gotten a lot of views on YouTube about it. I wanted to do a follow-up video to explain whether or not it's worked, if I would do anything differently, if I would build another one, and if I've done anything to improve it. Hint, hint. Okay, so this is it. This is the firewood rack that I built a year ago. If you haven't seen that video, I'm gonna pop a link to that original video on the screen right here. It was something that I did because I had a large pile of wood that was just like rotting and too close to the ground. It's getting wet, the bottom of it all sponged out. You see all that in the original video. But I built this. Initially, I'd covered it with a blue tarp, you know, standard issue blue tarp to keep the moisture off of it. But I had these metal roof panels that were left over from a tiny house build. And I thought, well, you know what, let's cover this thing because I didn't like the unsightly blue tarp. I wanted to get rid of it. So I built this. It's you know, just basically a cover, a roof for the firewood rack. I used some pressure treated on the front and back. I put a little bit of a slope on it so that the water can drain off of it. And it's prevented me from needing to cover the wood in and of itself. Now, this is like perfectly dry under here, and it really has helped to season the wood very effectively because there's a ton of airflow. Yet it obviously stays dry with that roof over the top of it. Now, it's worked great for me. There's really no signs of any kind of deterioration. I mean, as one would expect with pressure treated, you know, use of pressure treated wood in the making of this. The cinder blocks are fine. You wouldn't expect those to deteriorate in any kind of meaningful way. So I think, you know, realistically, like, there's no reason why this wouldn't last upwards of 10 years in its current configuration. I don't foresee any issue with it. And yeah, I've been thrilled with it. I would definitely build another one. So there's a couple dead trees around here that I need to knock down. And once I do that, heading into the winter months, I'm gonna need more firewood, and I'll probably need another one of these. Now, I don't have the sort of the roofing, leftover roofing material anymore to build another nice roof like this. And these panels are on the pricey side, so I don't think I want to just like go out and buy 2 of these panels for the sake of doing that. But, you know, a piece of plywood with some of that standard metal roofing that they sell at the big box store would work just as well. And I think I would recreate the roofing structure very much in the same way. You're looking at about 30 something inches there, 32 inches or so in terms of total width. And as I said before, it keeps everything completely dry and, you know, helps speed up the process of seasoning the wood for sure. That's about it. So the verdict is in. It's been a big success. I would do it over again. I would definitely add the roof structure to it, or some kind of roof structure to it. And a lot of the other videos on YouTube have some form of roof on it. It's the best way to go for sure. I hope this has been helpful for you. I hope that this inspires you to build one of these yourself. And if you like this video, consider hitting subscribe because that helps me make more of these types of videos. Share, like, drop a comment in the comment section below. Tell me what you think I should have done differently. Tell me if you like it or not. Tell me if you built your own or not. And tell me what other kinds of videos you'd like to see on my channel. That's it for now. Thank you. Tiny Industrial signing off. Happy building.